Okay, up for sale today we have this Tektronix 2445 oscilloscope. This is a 4-channel 150 megahertz scope, although it only has 2 complete vertical amplifiers on channels 1 and 2. The channels 3 and 4 are a limited input for digital signals and things like that. I've got it hooked up to my arbitrary waveform generator right now with the trigger going in on channel 1, a sync pulse, and the output, the sine wave output from the generator on channel 2. This scope also comes with the original instruction manual and a booklet about the P6131 probes, which are the probes that come with this unit but are not included. I don't know where those probes went. So we're going to run through the functions of this machine, show you that it's all completely working. It'll take a little while, but let's do that. So right now I'm going to go and put this channel 1 up here so we can get it out of the way. And we're going to put on channel 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we will move channel 2 up here. Okay, so you can see at the bottom that channels 2, 3, and 4 are all set at 0.5 volts per box. And over here on my waveform generator box, I've got the amplitude set at 2 volts peak to peak. Okay, so here we go. So we can see channel 2. There's channel 2. Here's channel 3, 0.5 volt per box, and here's channel 4. Okay, and if we go back here and go to, let's say, 20 millivolts peak to peak on our signal, we can go in here and we can crank her up. And there's our 5 millivolts a box, 20 millivolts peak to peak on channel 2. On channel 3, we can hit our ×5. And we'll need to crank this up a little bit, about 0.2 volts peak to peak. Okay, and we can see the gain of 0.1 and 0.5 works. We'll go to channel 4. Go to channel 4. And we can see that that also works. 20 volts per division. Okay. All right, so go back in channel 2. And we can go to our expanded time base. So everything looks like it works great. We can trigger channel 2. There's trigger level. Okay. Trigger back on channel 1. So everything looks like it works great. Intensity works good. Focus works good. This is readout intensity. This is graphical illumination. A little hard to see in here. All right, so there it is. A well-functioning 2445 oscilloscope.